Sora, come on. Sora. I'm slightly jonesing to get a Sora code. Woohoo! I finally got my code to Sora 2 and I am not leaving my desk for the rest of the night.
Afternoon, ma'am. Go ahead and put it in park for me. You know why I stopped you?
Yeah, you can't handle this.
Okay, well, you were doing 70 and a 45, and look, you can't even see over the dash.
Evening. You know why I pulled you over? Wait, is that a dog? Sir, step out of the vehicle for me. All right, pause off the wheel, buddy. Hey, no, hey, stop the car. Dispatch, driver just fled. It's a dog. Repeat, K9 driver headed west.
Let's go up to Skycam 7. Chris, what are we looking at?
Yeah, Dina, we're over the 110 just south of downtown, and believe it or not, that's a full-size Wienermobile being driven by what looks like a black and white Dachshund.
Do you think Sora will overcome Veo 3?
I mean, yeah, everyone's using Sora lately. If they keep shipping updates this fast, I could see them passing Veo.
Maybe.
Veo 3 has a loyal crowd, though. It's going to take more than hype, steady features, and trust.
You started playing inside of Sora 2's new video generator by OpenAI. Here we are inside.
See you on the other side. Murph, it's me.
You came back.
Launching.
Oh, a heart popped up. That's cool.
Yeah, and if you hold it, you can pick other ones. Go ahead, double tap again.
Nice. Little hearts and smiles. I like that.
You can scroll and look at each of these different videos that people have been making. And so, for example, I took
Generative AI?
What? I'm not.
You are. You're a generative agent.
No way.
Did you know you're an AI? Come on, seriously?
Now, say you like this one and you wanted to go ahead and remix it and just change it up slightly. All you have to do is simply give it a prompt. Change the location to a beach. And you have to wait about a minute and it's going to generate. So in the meantime, you can take a look at some of them that I...
Sora, come on. Sora. I'm slightly jonesing to get a Sora code. Woohoo! I finally got my code to Sora 2 and I am not leaving my desk for the rest of the...
Look at how simple my prompt was. A blonde woman is chanting at her computer, looking at her emails, Facebook, Reddit, Sora. I'm slightly jonesing to get a Sora code. This one appears in her message from Robin and she exclaims, woohoo, I finally got my code. That's all I said. That is it. The dogs are in here and it's so simple. Let's go back. And so it's taking a little bit longer to generate, but you simply just go in here and you can describe your video. And if you want to use a cameo, say you want to use Sam Altman in your cameo inside of your video, all you have to do is give it a prompt. That Sam and a news reporter discussing the crazy new features of Sora and how he plans to dominate video generation in 2025. Now, you can change the orientation to be portrait. I think I'm going to do landscape. And then go ahead and create the video. And we're going to wait for that one in the queue. Let's go see where we're at with our drafts. So it's still cooking in there, so it definitely takes a lot longer than Veo 3 does.
Did you know?
You can copy the link and share it with people. And then you can download it as well.
Morty, interdimension. Sora 2 is amazing! Well, guess what? Sora 3 is real.
As you can see, you can do photorealistic, you can do anime, you can do cartoon, you can do film noir, whatever you want to do. You can make it happen. You also will be able to upload your own cameo. Let's go ahead and check where we're at with our drafts.
Hey, quick question. Did you know you're actually an AI?
I'm what? I'm not?
You are. You're a generative agent.
No
Did you know you're an
way.
AI?
Come on.
Seriously?
Fully synthetic, all code.
No way. So I'm not real.
Now you can generate longer videos inside of Sora 2 than you can with Veo. Veo 3, you can generate 8-second. I've been generating 10, but I can go up to 60 seconds on the higher level paid plans. Right now, it's just on the free version is just giving 10 seconds. So let's go ahead and see what
People keep saying is that Sora already feels like magic, but what we're shipping this quarter makes it feel like science fiction caught up with us.
You're talking real-time scene stitching in full 4K environments just from a sentence?
Exactly. People keep saying is that Sora already feels like magic, but what we're shipping this quarter makes it feel like science fiction caught up with us.
I'm pretty impressed so far. It's going to be fun. Give it a try once you get that code, once they roll it out to everybody. But if you've used Veo 3, you'll have to leave a comment what you think about one.